We'll guide you through how to make and receive calls on an Apple Watch. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Just to be clear, this is just a standard Apple Watch. So first of all, you need to make sure your watch and phone are close together and are connected. Because when we go and make a call or receive one, it's going to go through the iPhone and then onto the watch. So what you want to do is go and press the side crown to go and get your apps. And then you want to go and find the phone app. So this is for making a call. You want to go and find it and go and tap on it. Now you can press on the squares in the top left and you can dial a number, or you can go through here and go and find one. So in this case, I'll go in recents and I can then go and choose who I want to call. In this case, I could do Art Tucker here. So I'll go and tap there. And then when I start the call, you'll see it then goes and starts on my iPhone as we're going through it. So it's that simple. And then when it comes to receiving one, you want to make sure you've got your notifications set up for this. So on your iPhone, you can open up the watch app, come into my watch and scroll down and go and find phone. And what you can then do is make sure sound and haptic are switched on. And I just have mirror my iPhone there. When we receive a call, it goes and looks like this, and you can then go and press on the green icon and we can go and answer the call as you can see, and it's that simple.